Wealthfront Traditional IRA is a popular retirement savings option that offers tax benefits and flexibility. To get the most out of your Wealthfront Traditional IRA, follow these best practices. First, understand the contribution limits. The annual contribution limit for traditional IRAs is set by the IRS and may change from year to year. It is essential to check the current limit before contributing to your account. Next, consider the tax implications. Contributions to a traditional IRA are tax deductible, which means you can reduce your taxable income by the amount you contribute. However, you will pay taxes when you withdraw the funds in retirement. Now, let's talk about investment options. Wealthfront offers a range of low-cost index funds that can help you diversify your portfolio and minimize fees. It is crucial to choose investments that align with your risk tolerance and retirement goals. Another critical aspect of managing your Wealthfront Traditional IRA is rebalancing. As your investments grow, your portfolio may become unbalanced, which can increase your risk. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your target allocation. It is also essential to consider required minimum distributions. Once you turn 72, you will be required to take annual distributions from your traditional IRA, which will be taxed as ordinary income. To maximize the benefits of your Wealthfront Traditional IRA, automate your contributions. Set up a systematic investment plan that transfers funds from your bank account to your IRA at regular intervals. Finally, monitor and adjust your strategy as needed. Your financial situation and retirement goals may change over time, so it is vital to regularly review your Wealthfront Traditional IRA and make adjustments to ensure you are on track to meet your objectives. By following these best practices, you can make the most of your Wealthfront Traditional IRA and create a secure retirement. Remember to stay informed, diversify your portfolio, and plan for taxes and required minimum distributions to achieve your long-term financial goals.